POSH Act, constituting internal committee. The Sexual Harassment of Women at the Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013 mandates that every organization with 10 or more employees must constitute an internal committee IC. Remember, constitution of IC is mandatory even if there are no women employees in the organization. If the organization has subsidiaries or branches, every subsidiary or branch that has 10 or more employees should have an internal committee. The internal committee is responsible to receive and redress sexual harassment complaints. The IC should have a minimum of 4 members. At least half of the members should be women. The committee will be headed by a presiding officer who must be a senior level woman employee at the organization. The committee should have 2 members from amongst the employees. The committee should also have one external member who is from an NGO or an association committed to the cause of women or a person familiar with issues related to sexual harassment. It is important that the external member is independent and unrelated to the organization. You can watch this video to know more about the external member and how you can find an external member for your organization. Did you know that internal committee has powers of the civil court? Yes, internal committee has the authority to summon the witnesses and personnel connected to the sexual harassment case, check and verify the documents related to the sexual harassment case, and take actions if their requests are not honored. Therefore, it is extremely important that the internal committee members are empowered and enabled with impactful training to competently handle sexual harassment cases. eLearn POSH also offers comprehensive enablement programs on POSH. 45 minutes POSH Foundation e-learning module in 7 languages, 30 minutes POSH for Managers e-learning module and an interactive webinar by a POSH expert, 110 minutes POSH for IC members e-learning module with 3 periodic and interactive webinar by POSH experts for 90 minutes each on topics specific to IC responsibilities. SaaS offering with tools like FAQ, knowledge base and more. All this at an unbelievable price. For a free demo of the program, write to contact@elearnposh.com or give us a call.